everybody, welcome back to another plan with me. Today I'm going to be planning for the week of November 30th through December 6th. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. December is finally here. It's my favorite time of the year. I'm so excited about this layout. Excited about the colors. It just came out so well. Got to use a lot of stickers, which I love to do. So yeah, let's just, get right into it. As you can see, I'm starting out with a bling. Got this nice thick washi tape, kind of a teal glittery color. Love it so much. Decided to go all in on this layout. I had all these transparent snowflake stickers, which I got these from a company I ordered from called Current. And they're a stationery catalog company. I'll put in the link in the description below. But I just love these stickers so much. And I just decided to go crazy. So I'm layering a lot of big ones first. And then towards the end of the layout, I'll come in and fill in, a lot of the little gaps. I love these kind of non-traditional holiday colors. Kind of the dark, kind of auburn red with the blues and the teals. Just think it's so fun and festive. Especially a way to start off the season. It's finally getting cool here in California. As you can see, I'm wearing my fuzzy sweatshirt. Definitely cozy and all the things. This is going to be a very sticker heavy layout, just warning you. I think you kind of get the picture. But I think if you're going to go big, you got to go all the way. But this still has to be functional, right? I got to write in my tasks. So I start to lay in some task box areas using the functional box stickers from the Happy Planner. That'll be for Monday. I actually ended up not liking this Friday box sticker, so I peel it up and I'm going to put it over here on Tuesday. It's okay to change things, right? It's one of the things I do love about the Happy Planner stickers is they come up pretty easy. So what I'm going to do instead for Friday is just kind of make my own task box using 2 smaller boxes. And of course, getting them straight is always a challenge, but I finally get there. Of all the shape stickers in the Happy Planner collection, I'm not really a fan of like the hexagons or the half circles, but I want to try to use them somewhere. So I just find spots and layouts where I think I can make it work. Setting up a task area here for the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Thankfully, we're all cleaned up from Thanksgiving, and so now it is full swing into Christmas. I've already started decorating. If I had it my way, I'd probably start in October, but if I had it my way, I would start decorating in October. But I don't think my husband would like that, so we kind of compromise, and I tell him pretty much as soon as the turkey is put in the fridge, I'm going to start getting out the Christmas decorations. Mostly because, I want time to enjoy them. There's so much work and decorating and then just general holiday planning in general, like shopping and wrapping. And even though we're doing a lot of that online this year, it still takes time and effort. So I want to be able to just enjoy my festive home before you have to, seems like, turn around and put them away again in early January. I enjoy the Hallmark movies, Christmas movies. What about you? They're just such a good escape. I've probably seen some of those movies at least 3 or 4 times by now. But a nice Christmas season day for me is being in the kitchen, baking or doing a Christmas craft, and watching some Hallmark movies, Hallmark Christmas movies. Now I'm just going in here and adding some decorative touches. I have these little mini holiday icons, which I have so many I could probably use from now until 2030. So I'm just using what I can without overwhelming the layout any more than I already am. There's so many decorative holiday stickers, right? I mean, just I don't see how you could ever really run out. Another tradition we have for the holidays is watching Christmas movies. We have 5-ish that we watch reliably. So about one a week. That's a tradition that we have every year. Here I am just still going ahead and adding some decorative elements, adding a little bulleted list to my Thursday task box. And of course, what would a layout be without Snoopy? I have these great holiday Snoopy stickers. I think I'm going to go with Snoopy laying on top of his decorated doghouse. I'm going to add a bulleted list, checklist here on the left. And now I'm going to go ahead and add some more snowflakes. These will of course go on top of some of the stickers that I put down, adding to that layering effect. And I think I'm going to use all the snowflakes on this page, because I have plenty, so might as well. So fun. Don't be afraid to put them on the edge of the paper. You'll see how I'm going to cut this in a second. Oh, one left. Where is it going to go? There we go. Look. This makes me so happy. Every time I clear up a sticker sheet, I don't know, feel a little sense of joy. So now I'm going to go and peel this off of my desktop, I should say. And I'm going to trim the edges. And sometimes I keep these edge pieces, and I did keep some of them, but I didn't keep all of them. I felt like this layout was already so busy. It didn't need any more help. But for the smaller ones, yeah, I cut those off, and then you find, straight edges to put them inside of the layout. It's kind of a pro tip for you. And then last but not least, you need to cut the pages apart. So sorry, this is kind of off camera a little bit. You just go down the middle and separate the two pages. And then what you need to do is punch, because there's, now sticky on, one side of the page. So I put a piece of paper, just, 8.5 by 11 paper, underneath the sticker page. And then be very careful to line it up with your punch. And then you're essentially just going to punch the sticker pieces out, so they won't get stuck in your planner. And there you have it, all clean. And there's my layout. I just think it's a great kickoff to the holiday season. I love how it turned out. Please let me know in the comments below what you think. Be honest, do you think it's too busy? Do you like it? Do you like the colors? That is going to be it for this layout. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to be notified of more content I post, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Happy holidays, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.